Toronto, the city within a forest, with a population of nearly 6 million and over 8,000 hectares of green space, millions of Torontonians pass by, around, and over an amazing tapestry of ravines and urban forests, often too busy with the challenges of day-to-day living to reflect on these places as blessings, pockets of vibrant life that are quintessential to Toronto.
Our ravines and urban forests are our greatest civic treasure. They provide us with opportunities to connect with our natural world and each other. They purify our water and clean our air.
The wilderness outside the window, under the bridge, down the alley, or even right in our own backyard are far more the soul of the city than any of the buildings, roads, or historic landmarks.
They have captured and preserved the relics of human history spanning millennia past. They define, sustain, protect, and inspire us all.
I'm Terry Terron.
And I'm Izzy Brownlee.
And we're professional guides and certified outdoor educators. And we welcome you to Take a Walk on the Wild Side with Wild Ones Wilderness. The muskrat. Considered to be a giant vole, the muskrat is an important aquatic creature in freshwater environments. The muskrat's construction of open water canals and floating houses of aquatic vegetation creates habitats for many species of waterfowl and aquatic plants that could not otherwise survive in the dense stands of cattails and sledges. Muskrats feed heavily on cattails, but will also eat a variety of other plants and animals. The coat on the muskrat is silvery to reddish brown or to blackish. The tail is narrow and flattened. Where can you find them? In lakes, marshes, ponds, rivers, reservoirs, dugouts, and canals. They'll be found throughout Ontario. The muskrat.
The Redtailed Hawk. Redtails are the most common hawks in Ontario, especially in the winter. In warm weather, these hawks use thermal and updrafts to soar. The pockets of rising air provide substantial lift, which can allow a migrating hawk to fly almost 3 kilometers without even flapping their wings. The red-tailed hawk's piercing call is often paired with the image of an eagle in TV commercials and movies. Where they're commonly found is in high trees and on roadsides or woodlots where they can hunt and nest. Most breed in Ontario except for the extreme north. The red-tailed hawk, an iconic example of the Ontarian wilderness.